Hey, what's up people? I've been copping a lot of Yeezys lately, so today we're gonna be checking out what's in these boxes.
Wake up, get lit, wake up, get lit, wake up, get lit, wake up.
Alright, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna get into this first box. Hit that like button if you want, you don't have to. It's kind of weird. These are all from the Adidas Confirmed app, but they all came in kind of different boxes from each other. This first one opens up real nice. Just these tearaway things. Oh, it didn't keep going. That's the worst, man. This is supposed to be a really easy open box. Okay, well that side wasn't too bad. Alright, now we just gotta worry about this front part. I have to tear into that. Come on. There it goes. These are some 350s. I was hoping that these would be the ones I'd open up first. I'll go ahead and show you guys this box. Oh, it comes out of here. Here is the shoe box itself. Got all of our info on there and whatnot. Box itself, just a standard 350 box, and the shoe itself is in here. Very icy. Here it is. Oh man, this thing almost glistens because that thread they're using. Yeah, this is so transparent. This thing is the iciest 350 I think I have ever seen. And I've had the cloud whites before, those are gone, but now we got the ice mono ice, is that what these are called? I'm pretty sure. But yeah, these things, so crazy. This fabric, like when you rub the two shoes together, you can hear that? It's hard to explain, but it's all weaved in there, some sort of really strong polyester type material. But yeah, you got a white out insole with some light gray Adidas Yeezy branding, and then, oh, look at that, on the insole is where you have your sizing tag, not on the side of the shoe anymore like a standard Yeezy, just because, you're seeing through all that. So there's nowhere to put it besides just on the footbed itself. Because, yeah, you're going to see whatever color socks you wear, make that part of the fit to wear a good color pair of socks with these 350s. The construction of this thing, you do have that cage underneath all of this plastic. You have your rubber outsole that's caging a bunch of Boost in there. That material for shoes made by NASA. I used to know a bunch of Boost history, but it's been a while since I've looked into it, so I kind of forgot. But yeah, Boost is a really great foam, has a lot of bounce back for a long time, and yeah, this is just the latest rendition from Kanye West. That 350 V2, all of this really transparent. Even this back pull tab is made with this transparent fabric. So when they say icy, this is like wearing ice cubes on your feet. We have another pair of Yeezys I gotta break into. I don't even know. I think these might be slides. You can already see part of the text on the top of that box. So it says slide. These things are only 60 bucks. Again, got it from the Adidas Confirmed app. Just got the pure color. Why not? I went after all of them. And pure is the one I got. Standard brown paper bag colorway for this box, or I guess natural. Wrapped up real nicely in here. Now my foam runners, those ones I kept buying a size 10 for some reason. I don't know why. They're a little bit too small. Both my foam runners are gone that I used to have. But I wore them like a tiny bit and then just sold them on Goat. But yeah, here are the slides. They're actually really smooth. Nothing like the texture on the foam runners. They do have a different feel for the foam even itself. It feels like it's a different material, really squishy, not quite as firm. I'm just gonna put my foot in there. Size 11. Oh, they feel sticky almost. They're kind of weird. Yeah, they do have some stick to them. A size 11, definitely a good size for me. I'm normally a 10.5. Do not size down in these. You are going to want to size up. If anything, you can try and go for your true size, and they might fit you well, but like literally, my foot is like right at the edge of that. So, I mean, that's still nice. And yeah, it didn't get too dirty. Let me get the other slide out of here. So tell me what you think about this pure colorway, very tan or whatnot. So now we'll get into, oh whoops, there goes my 450. But we'll get into these 700s next. These are those sun looking colorway. Comes in this giant box from Adidas. And then our 700 box, which itself is also pretty big. I did get these from the Adidas Confirmed app. These 700s are cheaper. These mauves I had to buy for $300. These were only $240, so definitely some savings there. Here's our label before I break into the box. Got your info. The mauves I'm wearing now, 700s, are a size 10.5. These are a size 11. Just wanted to try out if sizing up would help me at all or be better. And there's the shoe, that really, really bright orange. You have the black painted on that little design section on the sole of the shoe, or the midsole. And then you have also that kind of a different color orange there on that back part of the midsole. It looks like they really tried to make most of the upper the same tan colorway, almost the same as that pure color. Yeah, it's really, really close, but this 700 has a little bit more yellow in it. These pures are more of a white based tan, if you are into tans. And you got this really nice purple, a dark, almost brownish purple. You've got a really vibrant blue. It's actually a lot brighter than I thought, but very reminiscent of water or whatnot. The outsole is a really dark purple. It's almost a gray, honestly, but there is a little bit of purple tint in there. I think maybe not. Maybe it's totally gray. It probably is. Yeah, this whole outsole, this whole bottom part is totally gray. Gives a little bit of purple hues because of the purple on the top and this blue on the toe box. And then the laces themselves are a creamish white. They're almost like a yellowish white to it. Very light cream. Let me get the other sneaker out of here. These Adidas 700s are really nice just because they do have that boost in there and then a nice cage. But then you also have all of this reinforcement on top, so it's a really warm shoe for the winter if you need to make a quick grocery store run or something, or just want to have a nice fit and not be, you know, super cold or anything like that. But they have a little bit of breathability to them, I guess. This side panel here is sort of thin there, and then these panels up front, I guess these are kind of thin as well. All these kind of give you a little bit of airflow, but really not a whole lot. Pretty warm shoe for the hot summers. I would definitely go with a lighter shoe like the 350 if you want to go with Yeezy, or, you know, whatever. There's so many different shoes out there. I can't even get these in this box. I'm going to deal with that later. We've got our last box. These are a brand new silhouette that I have not seen in person yet, so I'm really glad to try these out. The first colorway was actually better in my opinion. I just thought they looked nice. But I mean, when I put in for the drawing on the confirmed app, the Adidas confirmed app, I was just like, all right, I'll try. If I get the black pair, I get them. You can always trade them around, but it is nice to have them. They come in this really small box. I mean, standard Adidas looking shipping box, but then the 450s come in this but then the Adidas 450s come in this square box. But I'll just kind of show you guys the box before I open them up here. Went for my standard size 10.5 just to see how it would be. And then, yeah, just a really basic box. A little bit of information on the bottom of that box, or the tray of it. And then got all of our paper in here. There it is. Okay, dude. Oh, the back heel part is actually a tan. I didn't realize that. Didn't know that. Let me get both of these out of here. It doesn't look like they put any sort of paper in the front of the toe box to keep the foot shape. These ones are so much like a weird slipper type thing that they just put them together like that and inside the box. So that's almost kind of weird to look at it this way. All these like foam globs, just vortex, a black hole, I don't know, it's so weird. And then the outsole, I was like, okay, how are they gonna do the outsole? Because I understand, you know, you got the foam coming up, so is the foam just gonna be so reinforced that it's just gonna handle whatever wear it gets or whatnot? But no, they did put an actual sole on this shoe, some sort of just rubber to give you some grip, I guess, or whatnot. But the collar of this shoe does have a good amount of stretch. Shouldn't be too difficult to get your foot in there. I really want to see how these look. I want to know how they're gonna fit. I want to know if this 10.5 is gonna be wide enough for my weird ass foot. Yeah, definitely. Oh man, these fit like a glove. Dude, look at that. These are insane. On feet, these, oh man. When I'm just holding it, it's like, okay, yeah, it's cool. Looks like, I mean, spikes, reminiscent of fire flames to me for some reason. I just thought that when I first saw them years ago when they first leaked. It seems like it's been so long since these first leaked. The outside is cool. I can just see the mid part of it when I'm looking it down. It's on my foot, and seeing my foot curve down and those lines come up, that design element, oh my goodness. I remember before I said I was only going to pay like $200. I'd never pay over retail for these, and I didn't have to. Thankfully, Adidas, maybe they heard that, and they're like, oh yeah, better get this guy his $200 pair so that he'll have some. No, they don't care about me that much, but I might, like, if I saw these in person, I might just go out and pay resale for them because they are that sick. Oh my goodness. They don't even look, I mean, it looks like it's from a dream or something. It looks like there's like an organism that's on the bottom of my foot. It's, oh my goodness, and it's so thick. These are so thick. That really adds to that dimension. So I'm geeking out over these, and yeah, I still have a bunch of stuff to do. I'm really busy. I've been overloading myself. I've been obviously delivering a lot of mail, going house to house, making people's day, going through construction zones at work, trying to find the best path so yeah, I can make the quickest time and get off of work and whatnot. And then I get home and I mean, it's been like 100 degrees outside every single day, 115 degrees outside. So I've just been falling asleep pretty much right away when I get home, or being lazy basically. But thanks everybody for keeping up with me. Let me know what you think about all these different pairs. And then I also have Chinatown Market, like a $200 mystery box that's supposed to be like $600 worth of stuff. I opened that up, a bunch of random crazy stuff. I did film it though, so check that out. And yeah, comment about what Yeezys you like best, and then let me know about Chinatown Market. Alright, peace. Hey, there's a freaking heat wave going on right now. It's like 100 degrees everywhere, all over the country, super hot where I'm at. That doesn't stop the heat from Chinatown Market. $600 worth of whatever is in here. It was their mystery grab bag, super deal. And so they sent me a bunch of stuff. Right off the bat, I can see it's not just apparel for me. Looks like I got some basketballs, a couple of them. Oh my goodness, look at this. 2 different basketballs. The Dior one, I don't know where that one's gonna go. Grateful Dead, there we go. Grateful Dead basketball. Who's into the Grateful Dead? You like that band? They're pretty good. Let's see what else we got here. We got some, I'm gonna look in this side, this box. It is a keychain, look at that keychain. Little basketball slide there. We also have a fortune-telling ball. Chinatown absent fortune-telling ball. That's pretty dope. That's cool. I might move this up around, who knows. We got a beach ball, or no wait, this is another basketball, the red one with the horns. I've seen that one on their website. This crazy flat bill, Grateful Dead. Okay, someone, you want a flat bill, crazy Grateful Dead flat bill, let me know. Hit me up. We have the Chanel Chinatown Market. That's kind of cool to see. We have some punching bag gloves right here. Let me check what those are. We have a bandana, just a blue smiley bandana. We have this almost worn Lotus slash NBA smiley dude slamming that rim. This might be a t-shirt. Looks like it does have a hood, a short sleeve hoodie. That might be what that one is. I think I saw that one. Another Grateful Dead. That's so cool. This tie-dye, really dope. It is size large. Got a little tag. Some of them don't actually have special tagging or anything like that, but this hoodie does. So this one's kind of dope. Also in here, another Grateful Dead hoodie. Got some basketball shorts on and some shoes, some Grateful Dead shoes. He's playing basketball. He's a skull man. You do have the tag on that as well. Back of the neck, Chinatown Market, size large. And yeah, that's it. So let's check out these boxing gloves. Okay, these ones, it looks like they are the standard smiley, I think. Yes, they are. The standard smiley. Just a regular drawstring bag there. Chinatown Market branding on there. And then I can get to town, get to work, practicing my speed. I'd be fast. My little brother actually is training. We got some Irish in our blood, so there we go. We're like Cherokee, Irish, maybe some German and Asian. I mean, we're all over the place. I don't even know. Anyways, do you think this pickup was a good deal? I think this is worth it. What do you guys think? I gotta say, this tie-dye one, that one's gotta be the coolest, for sure. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think of the grab. Cool keychain. It's kind of dope. It's got like, yeah, the foam and the rubber on the bottom. Alright, peace.
Okay. Yeah, so hold it like this. No, not that close. Not that close. Like that. There you go.
All right, go see Aunt Anna.
Yeah, let's go see Aunt Hannah. No, hold it the other. Okay, you can hold it that way. Okay. We did it. Well, no, we did. We saw Bear. We were all like,
You got